This demonstration shows how an AI chatbot can guide website visitors to find the perfect product. You'll see it answer common customer questions in real time, using the site's own content to provide accurate recommendations and build confidence in their purchase decisions. Helping visitors discover the perfect product is key to boosting conversions and satisfaction. Watch as real questions lead to helpful answers, showing how this AI guides customers. This interactive chat bubble is your direct line to visitor assistance. Navigating a new product line can be overwhelming, so let's start with a common question for those just beginning their journey with our offerings. Let's see what the AI has to say. That's right, our free plan is the perfect starting point for new users. You'll get a generous 100 AI replies each month to explore. It's designed to be simple to set up, letting you connect your website and build your knowledge base easily. You can upgrade anytime as your needs grow. Once a beginner knows the basics, the next hurdle is often comparing specific options. This query helps us address that crucial decision point. Here's the information we received. To give you the best recommendation, I need a little more context. Just tell me what options X and Y represent. Then I can guide you to the perfect choice based on your specific requirements. As we scroll through more product details, notice how the AI remains ready with insights. Beyond core functionality, customers often have specific needs, especially when it comes to personal use. This question highlights that personalized approach. This is the response it provided. That's a great question. To confirm product suitability for sensitive skin, we just need a little more detail. Please let us know which specific product you're interested in. This helps us provide the most accurate and helpful information. Purchasing a product is just the first step. Ensuring customers have everything they need for a complete experience is key to satisfaction. Let's take a look at this. Excellent question. To get you the most accurate accessory recommendations, we just need a little more information. Simply tell us which product you're interested in. Then, we'll quickly identify the perfect compatible add-ons for your needs. Every piece of advice given by the AI is drawn directly from your website content. Finally, understanding the investment involved is paramount. This question directly addresses budget considerations and provides clarity on pricing. You can see the answer here. Asyntai provides flexible options, starting with a completely free plan. Paid plans offer increasing AI replies, website support, and user seats. You can also save 10% by opting for annual billing. Find the perfect fit for your business today. See how easily visitors can find what they need. Try Asyntai for free today at asyntai.com. No credit card required to get started.